Take a moment to check out the 2022 Hyundai Tucson. This upscale Tucson crossover is ready to make even the most routine errands feel enjoyable. Its meticulous quality of construction, standard touchscreen infotainment and driver assistance features, European sensibility, and smooth, refined ride infuse every journey with confidence and satisfaction. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: lane keeping assist, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, power driver seat, 8-speed AT, rear spoiler, traction control, cruise control, power windows, power door locks. Make excellence your personal standard. Choose the Tucson. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.